Does your garage door take forever to open or close? A slow response time is more than just an inconvenience. It could signal underlying issues with the opener or other mechanical components. Don't let a sluggish door slow down your day or compromise your home's security and efficiency. If you're in the Kiama Downs area and are experiencing this problem, call us at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals will diagnose and fix the issue quickly, ensuring your garage door operates at peak performance. Get in touch today and say goodbye to waiting on your garage door.